Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, you're welcome. I'm Jennifer Owa. Don't make it your last. Make sure you stay here. This is where it happens, okay? And if it's not your first time, thank you guys for coming back. I mean, look at me, it's just me. Why are you guys coming back for me? I don't know. Thank you. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be doing my hair. Basically, it's not a detailed tutorial. I'm just going to be making my, jumbo pony tail look, and just having a chit chat, get ready with me with my sidekick Chibuzo. You guys are going to laugh. I don't know, it's funny, it was funny, Shia. Anyhow, it's a get ready with me, chit chat, all of that stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment for me. Let's go. So fairly up, and I'm still going to keep going with my gel. A little bit like this. Okay. I'm gonna bring out some baby hairs. Lace. You guys, so I'm just going to lay my edges. By the way, I have my psychic. I've laid my edges. Hi guys. So we've been having like a very juicy conversation. We didn't know that we weren't recording. I wasn't recording. Let me not put the blame on we. Let me put the blame on I. But hopefully we start this conversation again. Now this conversation started. Look at yourself. Anyways, yeah, so Chibuzo is going to give us all the gist. She's just going to keep you guys company while I do my hair, just get lit over here. So yeah, Chibuzo, where did we start from earlier?
I can't even remember, but something about my glue.
Yeah, your glue and all that.
Make potatoes to potato.
And then we now spoke about the tweet I saw that I think someone said as a girl, if you don't like do your makeup, well dress, well do your hair, look expensive, you are going to attract the minimalist of them all. How true is that?
It's true-ish, because some people can. I don't even know.
And then you say you've actually attracted.
Yes, so I've attracted like 2 married men. Asterisk. Married men. 2. Funny.
Oh my god.
Hilarious.
But then I feel like I don't know. I've not attracted anyone before, Shia. Maybe because yeah, she actually told us that not this person she's currently seeing. The person she's currently seeing isn't like that. It's not minimalist, Person does not manage,
and he actually likes comfortable. Like he prefers. This is someone I'll say. I feel like I should do makeup for this event. Okay, makeup. He doesn't really like makeup. Oh, yeah. Not like he will say no, don't do it.
He just feels like
just stop asking me if you want to do it, because I won't tell you no. So I get that. Just do it. Yeah.
I think you spoke about something about like one of the people you attracted that was doing the, let me get you lunch, and then how much is your lunch?
And I'll say 8K, and you'll be like, ha.
For food.
What?
Just for food.
So I'll be saying things like maybe, oh, let me get you airtime, or you know how you can be. It's mostly at work.
That's the least
The
of
first
it
one
all.
it was in my workplace where I was working just before NYC after school. Yeah, I was a personal assistant to one. I was working in a Chinese company. So the guy came to see the GM and then saw me. Maybe it's my face plus the way I'm always comfortably dressed. I don't know, because I think my face too. So the guy was just doing like, let me buy lunch, then like, chase down the way with money sharp. Said I need plenty money.
And then
I found out he was married, so I just used money to chase him.
Oh, he was married.
Yes, now.
And I think one of the like easiest ways to chase men away from your life is just to tell them that
money.
I'm broke. I need money right now.
Like I'm in a financial hustle. I need a lot of money right now. I need money. They just be like, jackpot.
Some men, they will shame you, Shia. They will shame you. They will still shame their wives at home. So this one, we're going to like take it around our neck, just because we don't want it to disturb us when we are weaving. Yeah, this is what I usually do.
Okay.
Because if not, it's going to like disturb and all that. And then this one, we are just going to weave it together with the natural hair. And we're just going to section it in 3 places. I hate that I have my nails on, you guys, so it's going to like disturb a bit. Can you weave?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. So she's going to be taking on this part because of my nails, you guys. In 3s together with the hair, and then you just like braid it from bottom to top.
Section it to 3
Square it up. Okay. I look like a Fulani girl.
You are you?
Yes, with this thing I put around my neck.
Jabbish.
Yeah. It's giving Fulani herdsman vibes.
Jesus. Herdsman. For once I've forgotten those guys exist.
Yeah, that's true. It's been like ages. It's a good thing, Sha.
The last time I traveled by road, I don't sleep throughout. Just in case they come.
Where are you
from? I'm from Anambra State.
My mommy people.
Your mommy people. Your money people.
My mommy.
Oh, your mom is from Anambra State.
Yes, my dad's from Imo. My mom is from where exactly self again? Oh God, such an embarrassment. No, it's not new. It's
That's what it is. I won't help. I can't help you. You have to figure it out yourself.
I know. So now we're going to like bring out this one from Murder. So we're going to just use this one to, you know, this stuff. We're going to tie it around.
Like wrap it around.
Exactly.
I'm going to wrap your hair too.
Yeah, I'm supposed to wrap my hair. Okay, you guys, so next we're going to be using this thing. It's a temporary dye from Curl Fade to just add like colors, baby. To add color to our hair. So let's get right into it. best way to
Are you
do
going to
it.
take it all the way to the back-ish?
I think I should. This looks like watercolor. So you really got 3 bottles. What colors did you get?
Gold, pink, and I think.
So you don't use it anymore?
Bronze. They're just in the house.
Yeah, I'll try to use my money to the end.
Yeah, no, I'll still use it. I'll use it. I will always find.
Because I will not be the one to lose. They should be the one to lose. They will not see me again,
Yes,
Shia.
they won't see me again. But
I
I'm
must
going
use
to
all
use
my
it.
money.
Use it.
This one you have to tie a scarf when you're sleeping, because so I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished look. Don't go anywhere. She wants to keep them company. I don't think she has much to say. She will just keep looking at herself and all that. But anyways,
And I might blind them with the glow. So save you some glow.
so we've come to the end of this video, and this is what the hair looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe. And if you want me to do like a more detailed tutorial, because this tutorial was just over the place, I was just making my hair and gisting with my psychic tubes, all you guys saw. So if you guys want to see like a very detailed tutorial of this look, be sure to let me know in the comment section, and of course I will definitely do it for you guys, because I mean, if I not do, I'm waiting again. Oh. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.